Keeping your boat in good working order is as much a part of boating as boating itself. Have the habit of checking all your engine parts and fluids every time you boat. Here's some of the maintenance tips.
Preventive maintenance. Change oil frequently. Follow the manufacturer's minimum recommendations or once each season. Check all through hull fittings for leakage and corrosion. Make sure the valves are operational and open and close easily. Check and replace any belts or hoses when necessary. Always check for oil and/or water leaks before leaving the dock. Flush your engine with fresh water after operating in salt water. Check impellers and pumps to anticipate a failure. Watch for start of corrosion, especially on battery terminals. Take measures to stop it before a problem occurs. Check and service transmissions and lower units according to manufacturer's recommendations. Change fluids on a recommended schedule or at least once each season. Keep shafts and props clean and in good working order. Check all water strainers to make sure that they are clean and free of debris.